Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the classification of Indian Contract Act 1872. It is also known as the types and kinds of contract. Basically, it is classified in three ways: based on enforceability, based on creation and formation, based on performance. First, we will start as based on enforceability or validity. It is further divided into 5 points: valid contract, void contract, voidable contract, illegal contract, and unenforceable contract. First is valid contract. An agreement enforceable by law is a valid contract. It is that contract which fulfills all essential elements of a valid contract mentioned under Section 10 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Agreement made by the free consent of parties who can competent to contract are valid contract. For example, A offered to sell his house for rupees 5 lakh to B. B agrees to buy it for this price. It is a valid contract. Now second is void contract. It is an agreement which is legally enforceable when entered, but it becomes void due to impossibility of performance. An agreement made by unsound person, an agreement made by mistaken of facts, an agreement made with unlawful consideration. An agreement which restrain legal proceeding. For example, if we contract between citizen of India and Pakistan in while during peace. हम यहाँ पे इंडिया और चाइना का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं बिकॉज वो बर्निंग टॉपिक है, हमारे रिलेशन जस्ट खराब हो चुके हैं. So next is voidable contract. According to Section 2(1), an agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties but not the option of other or others in voidable contract. This is a result of absence of free consent. This contract is valid until the party who gives his consent with coercion, undue influences, or by mistake, etc. do not oppose. So a party who take consent of other parties by coercion, etc. cannot take advantage of contract as the party done fraud. So voidable contract is valid until it is reputed by the party entitled to avoid it. Example: a person of weak intelligence made a gift of his entire property to B, who was in the position of dominate him, the gift having been obtained by undue influence in voidable at the option of B. A. Unenforceable contract. It is a contract which is otherwise valid but cannot enforceable by law because of some technical defects. Technical defects are like absence of written form, not proper stamp, so such contract can be proved in court or not enforceable by law. Example: A borrows rupees 10,000 from B and make a promissory note and 1 rupee stamp is posted on promise. The agreement, though complete, is unenforceable because of technical defects, promissory note being understamped. Next is illegal agreement. A agreement which is banned by law is an illegal agreement. It is void from very incept ab initio. Illegal contract should be different from void contract. All illegal contracts are void, but all void agreements are not illegal contract. Agreement which with a minor is void but not illegal. All void agreement is not illegal unless its objective is immoral, opposed to public policy, etc. A void contract does not affect collateral contract, but in case of illegal agreement, collateral contract also affected. इसमें हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, like X borrows ₹50,000 from Y for the purpose of smuggling. इसमें Y को पता है कि उसने स्मगलिंग के लिए पैसे लिए हैं. So the agreement between X and Y is the collateral to the main agreement, which is illegal. The collateral agreement providing loan is also illegal. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.